Hello children, welcome back to our YouTube class. In the previous class, we have learnt about our state S1 topic, that is border of our state. How what we have learnt in that, how are the borders will divide one state to another state, and how the border will divide one country to another country. There is a line between one country to other country, and there is a line between one state to other state in India, that is our country. That line is called border. So you have understood what is the border of our border in our state. Now in today's class we learn food in our state. Not only in our state children, different states. We have so many states in our country, that is India. So we have any special dish in each state. So do you know which dish we will eat in our state? So many things will be there: rice, chapati, vegetables, so many things. We need different things to make a food. Yes, right? So to make a food we need different things, and what we eat usually we get nearby. What is grown nearby our state, near means in our state, that only mostly we will eat, or some other we will export or import from other states. But mostly we will eat whatever what is available near our state, that only mostly we will eat. That one ingredient, one food recipe that you eat in our state, you find it out. What so many things are the rice, chapati, vegetable curries, what we find more in our state, that only we will eat. That is about food in our country. So many dishes. Now example we'll take about Maharashtra. In Maharashtra mostly they grow jowar. Farmers will grow the jowar, so they will mostly eat the bakri food. That is the dish made in the Maharashtra. One particular dish I'm saying, that only dish in all the states we will that food item will be made, but it is specially made in Maharashtra. That is the bakri dish. So what are the ingredients made for the bakri dish? What are the ingredients we need? First we need the jowar. Yes, so this is in only in the occasion we will prepare this jowar, this bakri dish. No children, whenever they wish they can make and eat it. Now example in our state, I am saying what is our state? It's Telangana. On now one particular, now example any dish, now Hyderabad biryani is there. So that is means what is the famous dish in Hyderabad means, they will say mostly Hyderabad biryani. So what are the ingredients made in kept in the Hyderabad biryani? That is from we get that ingredients from our state only. Mostly we get these items from our state, ingredients from our state. So that is famous in Hyderabad. So food in our state, in Hyderabad it is Hyderabad biryani. Like in any other states it will be different food items. So that is about food in our state. In different state we have different food items children. Okay, now we'll do the workbook. Now everyone open your volume to workbook. We have read about bakri. No, this is the bakri dish made with jowar, and they will eat with Maharashtra people. They will eat with the roti. See the sabji and onions. They will eat like this. This is the bakri, and they will eat like this, children. Okay, and you can see here the page number 76 in your reader. You can see here things that tells us about state. We have read about the food item, no, that only we will read that part only. This is about the different topics. So first we'll read only this. Joseph's mother counted the snacks of jowar from the farm. She told him that jowar grows very well in Maharashtra, and that many dishes that he likes are made with. So he like many dishes made with jowar. So his mother tells us jowar is mostly grown in Maharashtra. That's why we read bakri in the bakri dish in the food item. So that in Maharashtra jowar is grown more. So they will make the bakri more. Yes children, what availability more is there, they will make that dish only. That dish only will be popular to that states. Yes children, we have seen Maharashtra dish, right? This is the Maharashtra dish. Yes, you can see the Maharashtra. You can point it out. Where is Maharashtra in India? Yes, children, you can see here Maharashtra near Telangana only it's there. See, this is Telangana and this is Maharashtra. So it is a part of India. That is also one state in India that is nearby Telangana. So we read about food item in our state. Now let's do the workbook. Open page number 21, children. Open page number 21. Write today's date. What is today's date, children? Today's date is 7 11 2020. 7 11 2020. Write today's date, children. Okay. Now let's see the first bit. On the map, draw a fish to show where you think people of Kerala will get fish to eat. Yes, children, where they will get fishes to eat. Kerala people will eat more fishes, children. Okay. Now let's read the topic about Kerala in the reader first. Okay. Open page number 77, children. Yes, this is the Kerala state. You can see here states of India. First one is Kerala. We'll read about Kerala. Okay. Kerala is a state in South India. It is near the Arabian Sea. Where it is, children? It is near the Arabian Sea. You can see in your workbook Kerala and nearby Arabian Sea here. Yeah. A lot of food here has fish and rice. What they have? A lot of fish. Why they have fish? Because there is nearby, the Kerala is nearby Arabian Sea. So in the sea we'll see lot of fishes, right? So it is the famous, what is the famous food there? Fish and rice. Kerala is famous for spices like pepper. People here speak Malayalam, English and other languages. Kerala has beautiful forests and mountains. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. You can see this is the Kerala pictures, children. See the sea here, see the boats. They are removing the fishes and playing near the sea. You can see their dance, see the plants. See the beach. Kerala has many beaches, dances like Talayam and grow and crops like pepper. You can see the pepper here. You can see a famous spices. What is the famous spices? It's the pepper. So this is about the Kerala. We'll do here about Kerala. Now where do you find where they get fishes from? The famous food is fish, right? Yes, pepper also, but food item is fish. Where they get? Near the corners, children. The beach will be the corners. Why it will be the corners? Because they are attached to the Arabian Sea. You can see here sea. So the fish you can draw near the corners anywhere fishes, children. Okay, I'm drawing here. Okay. Okay, draw the fish. Okay. Yes, children. Second question. Many dishes in Manipur use rice. What does this tell us about? What does it tell us about Manipur? They make many dishes with rice. So what does it tell us? In Manipur they grow so much of rice. So the answer is this means that rice is grown in Manipur. So much of rice grown in Manipur. That's why the Manipur in state of Manipur they will grow so much of rice. So they'll make so much of rice dishes only. So third bit, the table shows dishes made in two states. Circle the name of the ingredient that you think grows in both states. State 1 and state 2. Jowar bread, vegetables and rice, chicken curry and rice, mango juice. State 2. Coconut rice, lemon rice, milk halwa and mutton fry. Yes, children, so many things are there in state 1 and state 2. So what is common in this? You can see rice is common. So I have circled the rice, children. So this is common in both. Rice is common in both. So the dishes are rice. Okay, children. Now do your workbook. Okay, children. Do your workbook and let's do the classwork now. Already we have written keywords and glossaries in the classwork. Okay, let's do the classwork now. And we have already written glossaries and keywords. Now let's do the next bit. Open page number 80 and the first bit is choose the correct options A and B. First one is just now we read about the Kerala now, children. So that is the option here. Which of the following states is near the sea? It's Kerala. Okay, and B1 in the next class we will do, and see the second question and answer is here only. What are the some food items that people eat in Kerala? So what are the food items? Already we have read on the page near to Kerala ma. See, we have read a lot of food here has been fish and rice. So they will eat, Kerala people will eat mostly fish and rice. So the answer is fish and rice are food items that people eat in Kerala. This is the answer ma. Already we have written keywords and glossary. Now write the choose the correct answers and copy the first question and answer, and copy the first question and write the answer. Okay children, complete your workbook and complete your classwork also. Okay children, thank you.